Experiment 9. Aim of the experiment: to study the structure of human brain through charts or models. Theory: the human brain is an integral part of the central nervous system and serves as the primary coordinating center for the body. It has an average weight of approximately 1300 to 1400 grams enclosed within the skull. The brain is safeguarded by a bony structure called the cranium. Additionally, it is enveloped by 3 layers of connective tissue known as meninges, which contain cerebrospinal fluid, providing protection against mechanical shocks. The brain is further divided into 3 main regions: the forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Materials required: charts or models of the human brain. Procedure: 1. Carefully observe the provided charts or models of the human brain to familiarize yourself with its different components. 2. Create a well-labeled diagram illustrating the various parts of the brain. Note: ensure accuracy and attention to detail when drawing the diagram. Observations: the human brain can be divided into distinct parts, each serving specific functions. 1. Forebrain. A. The forebrain is the largest and primary thinking region of the brain. B. It comprises the olfactory lobes, cerebrum, and diencephalon. C. The olfactory lobes, located far apart, transmit the sense of smell from the olfactory epithelium to the temporal part of the cerebrum. D. The cerebrum, occupying the front, lateral, and superior areas, is the largest part of the forebrain. It contains sensory areas that receive impulses from the sense organs such as the eyes, tongue, nose, and skin. The cerebrum is divided into 2 cerebral hemispheres separated by a longitudinal cerebral fissure. Each cerebral hemisphere consists of 4 parts: frontal lobes, parietal lobes, temporal lobes, and occipital lobes. F. The corpus callosum, a thick nerve band, connects the 2 cerebral hemispheres inferiorly. G. Each cerebral hemisphere contains a fluid-filled cavity known as the lateral ventricle. H. The cerebral cortex, a thick, outer layer of gray matter, covers the hemispheres. I. The inner part of the cerebrum consists of the cerebral medulla, which is composed of white matter. J. The cerebral cortex exhibits elevations called gyri and depressions called sulci. K. The right cerebral hemisphere controls the functions of the left body parts, while the left cerebral hemisphere controls the functions of the right body parts. L. The diencephalon encloses a slit-like cavity. Its thin roof is called the epithalamus, the thick sides are known as thalami, singular, thalamus, and the floor is called the hypothalamus. The epithalamus contains the pineal body, which filters cerebrospinal fluid from blood. The thalami transmit sensory impulses, excluding smell, from the medulla oblongata and other parts to the cerebrum. M. The hypothalamus houses regulatory centers for thirst, hunger, body temperature, water balance, blood pressure, and also secretes various hormones. 2. Midbrain. A. The midbrain is a small portion of the brain that consists of 2 thick fibers and 4 swellings. B. The cerebral peduncles or crura cerebri, which are fibrous tracts, connect the hindbrain to the forebrain. C. The swellings, known as corpora quadrigemina or colliculi, are associated with reflex movements of the head, neck, and trunk, responding to stimuli of light, sight, and sound. 3. Hindbrain. A. The hindbrain comprises 3 main parts: cerebellum, pons, and medulla oblongata. B. The midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata collectively form the brainstem. C. The cerebellum, located behind the cerebrum and above the medulla oblongata, is a small area. It is the second largest part of the brain and consists of 2 lateral cerebellar hemispheres and a central vermis. Similar to the cerebrum, it possesses an outer cortex made up of gray matter and a central white matter resembling a branching tree. The cerebellum plays a crucial role in maintaining body balance and coordinating muscular activities. D. The pons varolii, situated in the center of the brain, below the cerebellum, acts as a bridge and aids in coordinating muscular movements on both sides of the body. E. The medulla oblongata, the lowest part of the brain, resembles a swollen tip of the spinal cord. It controls loss of consciousness, sleep and other activities.